So our truck just broke down and now they're getting us a hotel, and at least we get to stay warm tonight because the truck wasn't working and the air pressure had a leak or something like that. Okay, you guys, so we end up getting a hotel by the company because the truck broke down. Look at him. It's nice in here. Got the Chicago bean. It's all fancy. A bed. Got a fan, TV, some chairs, some things.
What kind of video are you doing?
It's snowing outside. There's a guy on a forklift right there. They care. You guys care, right? You care. Hit like if you care. Guess what? Guess what? We got a new truck because ours broke down. It's cleaner in here. It's a new truck, but it's a lot of air. Okay. We're about to get all of our stuff out of the old truck. It's broke down. It's inside of there. So here's a new look at the truck. Everything's new and electric. See there? It just needs some cleaning. The seats are better. We got more drawers. Still no fridge, unfortunately. But we got more closet space. Cook right here. You can see. I don't know how to turn on the light, but got little nets for storage room. A bed. And another bed. Cute little windows up there. Everything's much bigger. Control panel. Windows. Speakers, windows. That holds the TV. This is a little drawer. We need to clean it. And this is to cook on. She didn't clean nothing. But hey, it's way better than the other truck, and I cannot lie. We even got blessed with $7 in here. There's some guys watching me make my video, but whatever. So yeah. Waiting forever for my husband. I have to go pee. He has to come with me. Taking forever.
Just another video for YouTube. The life of a trucker and the trucker's wife.
Yep, I gotta pee. This is the worst bathroom I ever seen. This is disgusting. And they got the nerve to have the Holy Bible in here. The things I gotta go through.